And welcome back everybody into another daily recap. Today is the 8th of February. It's a Thursday and we're going to have a review on the USD pair. As always, we're going to start with GBPUSD. A little check at what happened during the London session. Nothing really happening. Probably if I didn't trade that session, but probably I would have had a loss over here due to the fact that price, as you can see, is breaking below these lows, and I would have probably placed a sell limit at this level. I don't think I would have removed it, but yeah, just as per price action, that would be the case. Then you see price is moving up and breaking below these lows. This one would have been a win 1 hour and a half later on, and then we start to see the actual bearish price action going on. Another entry, you can see, breaking below these lows and retested them for like 12 pips. This would have been a second win. And I mean, I wouldn't count this one as a possible retracement, but yes, and I will tell you the reason why. Because I saw this live and I don't know if I have the picture of it, but yeah, I saw this price action happening. That's where I possibly had the thought of entering, but didn't do so. And yeah, that's the thing. I also saw this price action below these lows and below an hourly PSA with a possible retest entry, but would have been probably a break-even trade, if any. Okay, then the price a little bit of a pullback and then gave us another retest, breakout below these lows. You can see how the price is breaking below these last lows and also the most recent one. It is retesting it, and that's where I actually add my sell limit. You can see that this is my sell limit. I grabbed around 10 pips out of a 15-18 pip move. I got very lucky because you can see that's why I like to trade the no spread, because from my entry, which was on the top of this candle, price goes basically 3 pips, doesn't my stop loss is exactly 3 pips, doesn't get triggered, and then goes into profit. That's absolutely amazing. Let me screenshot that. And yeah, very nice. One and only trade of the day. After that, the price action would retrace all the way up. I was checking possibly some, I saw it afterwards, a break and retest of these candle bodies. Would have been around 8.5 pips, so would have been another break-even entry. So this one is actually a win because I actually took the win, so that's okay. And then the price will reject and then go back down. So overall, if I was trading GJ as I should, GU as I should, throughout the whole session, throughout the whole morning, basically for around 6 hours, I would have taken 1 loss, 1, 2, 3, 4 wins to break even. So that's a very good win rate. Of course, live trading would have been different because maybe I take this win, I don't place immediately a sell limit over there or whatever. So this is just an ideal world. If we go and have a look on gold, we can see that gold moved pretty much the same. It gave us a buy entry, possible buy entry when GU did not, and this is this break and retest of these highs. This one would have been a 30 pip win. So just by looking at it, that would have been a nice win. After that, we see that price just goes down. The only entry that I can see possible is below these hourly lows. If I had to take the first entry, this one would have been a loss because price would go around 10 point something pips. Even the breaks below these lows, yeah, when you see this breakout, then you can take an entry, very small drawdown, and then yeah, it goes more than it goes quite a long way down for this retest over here. Then you have this area, you might want to wait for some breakout. I don't know if there was, yeah, here there's the jobless claims news, so you wait for the dust to settle. If you want to enter, I don't know if you want to enter below these lows, maybe you would take this loss over here and that's okay. That's when I took my win on GBPUSD. But price is breaking below, you take an entry and you lose. It's absolutely fine, especially if you win all the other trades. Here you have a nice breakout, but doesn't give any retest. So nice volume candle, and but only a buy stop would have taken that. Even with the 20 tick chart, you can see that over here the price is not really retesting the area, so would not be activated anyway. And yeah, probably maybe you could have had a retest of this hourly PSA after this breakout. Yeah, would have been a break-even trade because it goes to 20-23 pips. Now there's some volume coming back in, but yeah, I mean, still early, still not half an hour before the actual London close. So you can see that over here on gold, the price action would have been a little bit different. Only 2 wins, 2 losses, and 1 break even. Still, this is 3-1. You have 30, 30, minus 20, so it's a plus 40 pips. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Of course, here would have been much better, but yeah, nice. Very nice to always do the review, always have in check the price action and what is happening, what is going on. Let's just have a look at GJ, just because yes. And you can see that this is GJ, a little bit much more messier than USD pair. During the London, you might have had some nice entries, but afterwards, really not a lot of price action, not a lot of doable and viable trading setups, unless you take like the pullback to the PPL, and yeah, you just want to take that. Maybe you see the breakout over here. This is your entry, 3 pips, and this is a 13 pips. So this one would be a break-even trade even. Anyway, apart from this, there's nothing else. I hope you guys enjoyed. Very short, brief, but on the point, straight to the point review. I see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. And yeah, just wanted to check my current month. Okay, up 40 euros. So far, I have like 3 wins and 6 losses. So that's like a 30% win rate, which is still not good enough. I mean, it's good enough because you can see that it is profitable. Because also, I mean, you have to look at the net more than that. But still, I would love to get to a 50%, especially considering how the opportunities come up on the chart on a daily basis. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you tomorrow for Friday review.